Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Exploring iloc 0 in Python, a beginner's guide. Introduction. Pandas, a powerful data manipulation library in Python, provides the iloc indexer for integer location-based indexing. In this tutorial, we will focus on understanding and utilizing iloc 0, which is commonly used to retrieve the first row of a data frame. Prerequisites. Before diving into this tutorial, make sure you have Python and pandas installed on your machine. You can install pandas using the following command. Understanding iloc 0. The iloc indexer is primarily used for integer location-based indexing, allowing you to select rows and columns by their numerical positions. When used with the index 0, iloc 0 retrieves the first row of a data frame. Let's explore iloc 0 with a practical example. In this example, we create a simple data frame with columns name, age, and city. The iloc 0 expression is then used to retrieve the first row of the data frame. Output. As shown in the output, the iloc 0 expression returns a pandas series containing the values of the first row, with the index representing the column names. Use cases of iloc 0. Retrieving specific information. Comparing values. Conditional operations. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored the usage of iloc 0 in Python with pandas. Understanding how to extract the first row of a data frame using this indexer can be valuable for various data manipulation tasks. Feel free to experiment with your own datasets and discover the versatility of iloc 0 in your data analysis projects. ChatGPT.